welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Data Science. Part 1 video I have discussed the basic formulas and functions of Excel. Now also we can see the remaining portions of formulas and functions in Excel. Okay, so go for welcome to Excel tab and open it, and you can do parallelly with me, or after watching my video you can do it by yourself, then only it will be easy for you. Okay, from in part 1 we have solved up to tables. Okay, now we can go for drop downs. Okay, the drop down is nothing but to fill the values, okay, in columns or rows. Okay, now in department is a column. In department they have only three sources, okay, that is produce, meat and bakery. This three is gonna repeat to this column. Okay, so for this is very small data set, so no problem, you can type produce, which is meat, which is bakery. But for larger set data you can't type for all things. Okay, so that we are going to use drop down function. Okay, now please click the yellow, please click the department and drag it. Okay, okay, and after that go for data and data validation. So click data validation. Here type list, and what is the source here? Produce, comma, meat, comma, bakery. Okay, so click OK. So the filter is that. So now for drop down, this is a drop down arrow mark, you can click here. So what is the apple? Apple is a produce, beef is a meat, okay, bananas is a produce, lemons is a produce, broccoli is also produce, kale is meat, is bakery, bread is bakery, chicken is meat, cookies is bakery, cakes also bakery, and pies is just meat or produce. Okay, something like that. So we have created a drop down box, okay, by using the data and data validation. Now the same thing we can be used by table also. So table method. So here I created one column, and in row I have written produce, meat and bakery. So now click this table. Okay, click shift and down arrow mark. Leave this department, just click this produce, meat and bakery. Okay, so insert this is as a table. Okay, so go for insert and table. Just now we made this is one of the table. Okay, now click here and drag whole thing. Okay, shift down arrow mark. Okay, now go for data validation. Now here a list. Here there is upper arrow mark. This is to download what is the source. Okay, where is the source? So click here. So this is the source, isn't it? So click this one. This is the source. Click down arrow mark and click OK. Okay, now it is created. So for apple is a produce, and beef is a meat, banana is a produce. Like that we can go. Okay, without typing produce, meat or something, we can easily drag these table to data validation sources, then we can go. Okay, this is drop down. Then analysis. Okay, next the main work for a data analyst or data scientist or business analyst. Okay, in the name itself we know analyst, going to analyze something, going to analyze data. What is the highest price, lowest price in terms of price, or profit loss, something, whatever it is, sales, it's going to analyze. So the analysis is very important for all the things, all the purposes. So please read these instructions. Okay, first click and drag to select all the cells on the right. So click all the tables. Okay, select all the tables. Now we have selected all the tables and click here. Okay, this is the data bar. What bar we want? Okay, so this is simple data bar. Okay, click here. So see here, this is the amount. Okay, this is the amount. So which is the highest amount? By this itself we can see in this October column 90,000 is the highest price. Okay, highest amount. Now in November column we can say this is the highest price. In December column we can say this is the highest price. See now, without any data bar or data analyzing something, we want to read one by one. Okay, then only we will get, okay, 90,000 is great. But easily by accessing a data bar. Okay, okay. Easily by accessing a data bar, we can come to know that which is the highest price and all those things. Okay, okay. Next one. In data bar itself we have many functions. Okay, now select this. To select all the columns and rows, select and control Q, then the data bar is open. So if you want colored bar, so for the lowest one red color, for highest one green color. Okay, like that, like this also we can be analyzed. Okay, we have many other functions. Press here and control Q. Control Q is nothing but quick analysis. Okay, so go for charts. There are many different types of charts over here. So what type of charts we need, we can select. Okay, now go for this chart. So here we can analyze easily. Okay, see here in the month October, November and December, bread price is very less. Okay, and the here desert price goes high in December month, here beef price goes high in December month, like that. We can analyze. See here the plus button, here we can add. Here actually I don't know what is this axis and what is this axis. So for typing a title, so we can select. Here we can write amount, and this title we can write a month. Okay, sorry, not month, the department. And data labels, so which amount it shows, and data table. Okay, so see this is very nice now. So easily we can see over here. So error bars, some error bars. Okay, red line. Okay, that's all about analysis. Okay, so by this we can analyze the data. And next one is chart. Chart is also very easy. Just click this button. Okay, and go for insert tab and recommendation chart. Okay, click this one. There will be many chart over here, what we need. Okay, whether pie chart or bar graph or line. Okay, what we need, we can take that one for analysis. Okay, okay. See here in 2017 the conference attendance is 500. So 2017 is a 500. In 2020 it is 900. 2020 it is 900, and 2022 it is 1200. 2022 it is 1200. Likewise we can, here also we can add access title, data labels, data tables, all those things. Okay, it's also very easy one. Let's see what is this. So like a histogram. So there are many functions. The shading is different. So this is also very nice, isn't it? So we can easily analyze this by this. Okay, okay. So there are many functions, and only they also given here. Okay, learn and read this one. This is also very easy. Next one, pivot table. Why they are using pivot table? For what purpose? For accessing or rearranging or getting the data easy manner only we are going for pivot table. Okay, now this is very small set of data, so we can easily access the data. Now I'm asking that the product B is sell for how much rupees, so easily we can say that 1400 plus 750. Okay, we need to add this and we can say the data. But see here, like this product, okay, for data from 1920 to 2000, sorry, 2020 to 2022, there is a data for 2 years. 2 years also they are selling the same product, beer, wine and soda. Okay, only three products are selling by four different salespersons like Annie, Mark and Maria Laura. Okay, these four persons only selling the three products for 2 years. Okay, the amount alone it differs for years. Okay, so we cannot get easily that how much for how much amount Mark sells the wine. Okay, so the Mark have sold about 50 to 70 wines for different rates. Okay, at the time we can't go for all the tables and we cannot add one by one, and we cannot write some functions for one by one for each columns. Okay, so that only pivot table is very useful. Okay, now let's see how to create a pivot table. Okay, see here, now click this whole table, control A. Now go for insert. So here is the pivot table. Okay, from table range, see here, if we want to create a pivot table in existing worksheet, if I click means here is the pivot table, this is the pivot table. Now I am going to for new worksheet, so you can easily understand. So new worksheet. Okay, now the pivot table is open here. Okay, now for which date, how much sales person, how much product they sell and how much amount they have sold. Okay, I have given, so I there is a table. Okay, row table. Okay, in April month alone, 1400 rupees is sell. Okay, overall. In May month, 2250, and June month 2280. Okay, now I no need the whole data over here. Okay, so please delete all those things. Now I need only which salesperson. Okay, which salesperson, which product they have sold for how much amount. See here, Annie has sold the beer, only one beer she or he sold, so this is of 2150 rupees, and Laura sold the wine product for 680 rupees. Okay, and Maria sold soda for 1600 rupees, and Mark have sell two products, soda and wine, that one for the 510 and another for 1010. Okay, total is 1520. Okay, so the overall amount the profit goes for company is 5950. Okay, now this we have selected the salesperson and product and amount. Okay, now no need salesperson, just what product, how much, which are all products sell for how much amount. The beer is sold for this much rupees. Soda. Okay, this is very easy, isn't it? Now this is very small example, so uh, you can understand. But in next video I will explain the pivot table by keeping a large set of data where we are implementing a real-time project. Okay, then it will be very easy. So thank you for watching. This is all about basics of formulas and functions. Okay, there are many formulas that in upcoming videos I will upload each and every formulas. Okay, like count function, sum if function, boolean expression, and or So these are all things I will be explained in later videos. Please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. So if your friends are interested in data science or data analyst or business analyst or whatever, so Excel is very important, so please do share to them. Thank you.